Maharishi International University is not just a campus, it's a movement, a thriving community where education meets transformation. This is a place where we focus on the inner development of every individual, every student, so they can have outer success with clarity, stability, well-being within themselves, security and strength in their feelings, so we can create a world that is peaceful, sustainable, and successful.
We have an outstanding community of people, faculty, staff, students on campus and around the world online. We are doing things to engage our students to provide a more robust experience for our students that no one else is doing. The way we've designed our programs, consciousness-based education, your consciousness, your wellness, your wholeness is woven throughout the structure of the programs, not just in the course material, but in the way the courses are designed to help support you, not only when you're doing your schoolwork, but in your day-to-day life and help you become better people, to help you realize your potential.
If we give MIU the possibility of developing the full potential that it has, and this requires funds, this requires support, we can really look forward to an exemplary system of education, where in my perspective, every other university will adopt those systems of developing the students first, and at the same time giving them the ability to acquire knowledge, to gain knowledge. The potential is there and the demand is absolutely great for such a university as we look to the future. This is why we need, at this particular time, to support this university wholeheartedly.
For the last 50 years, we've been changing lives and empowering individuals by helping expand their consciousness, their ability to function in the world around them, to understand and be part of the change that we all want to see and feel in the world around us. The Renaissance Campaign gives donors an opportunity to support the new leadership in the next chapter in the history of MIU.
If we donate to this university, we are donating to the future. We are donating to a bright future where people will be able to adapt, will be able to adjust, will be able to use their full creativity in order to live a life of wholeness and fullness and feel that they are growing in enlightenment, in wisdom, in well-being, in happiness.
This is the moment in time when you can truly make a difference. You can empower MIU to train the leaders of the future. You can visit our website at giving.miu.edu and select any of the projects that are resonant for you. You can sign up for an immediate donation or for a commitment over a period of time. All very, very easy to do. If you'd prefer, you can reach out to one of our development officers and they'll be happy to walk you through the process on the phone.